and he told me he was gonna send me some seeds. But guys, this is way more than just a package of seeds. Like, what in the bubbles? I know, right? I know. I cannot wait to open it because I literally have no idea what's in this box. Like, no sé qué me mandó. So let me go ahead and let me get my cuchillo and let's open this, guys. I want to like open it as carefully as possible because I want to save this. Guys, it's from Australia, so I need to save the packaging, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness. Okay, vamos a verla, vamos a verla, vamos a ver. Oh, guys, seeds. Silly demonio seeds. Oh, they look amazing también. These look great. Guys, demonio, that means devil in Spanish. That means it's gonna be a really spicy pepper. I cannot wait to grow them this year. Oh, that is so freaking amazing. Guys, and he has been following me. I'll put his information down on the description box below so you guys can check out his Instagram. He also has a YouTube where his little son plays games, so you guys can check that out. Guys, oh, what? I was not expecting this. He told me I didn't have to do an unboxing, but you know how I am. You guys send me something, I'm naturally gonna do an unboxing and try to promote you guys or whatever the reason. He does not sell hot sauces, but like, I cannot believe he sent me this. Like, Vegemite, guys, and eucalyptus Aussie drops. Look at this. This is so cool. And this is when you can tell that someone really knows you. Like, he has been following me and has been subscribed to my YouTube channel since like the beginning of my journey. And you know how I've been talking to you guys about like the reason why I started all of this, lost my job. Like, it's just been so hard with the POTS syndrome and the thyroid and like my neck swelling up, and sometimes I can't talk properly. Like, sometimes I can't eat. Well, actually not sometimes, like now, like I can't eat certain types of food because of my thyroid issues. And I have all types of like different cough drops, and this will help out so much, bro. Like, this is so nice. Like, oh, you didn't have to. Guys, like, I will be starting all of this. Like, imagine from Australia. You know how cool that is, guys? Oh, I know. I can't wait to start trying all of this. And I can smell this. Like, I can smell this, and the package is not even open. That's how good these are going to be, guys. Oh, that is so freaking amazing. Bro, thank you so much for this. This is the kindest thing anybody's done for me. Like, oh, my health, well, thank you a lot as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so freaking amazing. Have a super awesome weekend. Bye.